This Turkish pita bread is soft and fluffy, and they have a chewy texture, and they smells amazing. And this is one of the simplest breads that we can make at home. We need only 5 basic ingredients to make this bread dough. We don't need to knead the dough, and so it's so easy to make, and we don't need to wait for long proofing time, and so we can bake and enjoy this bread in less than 2 hours. And in this video, let's see how to make this easy no knead pita bread in 5 simple steps. So as the first step, let's prepare the bread dough. Into a bowl, add in the lukewarm water which is not cold nor hot but just slightly warm. Then add in salt, sugar and yeast. Stir and mix until all our ingredients get dissolved. Then I'm adding flour and combine them all together. It will all come together in a minute, and we need to make sure there are no dry patches left behind. And now we got a well hydrated and homogeneous dough. Let's cover it with a plastic film and let the dough sit and rise for 30 minutes. And now after 30 minutes, our dough has risen well. Our dough is very sticky to handle, and so I'm dipping my hands in water, and thus it will not stick to our hands and we can do the next step smoothly. So to give some shape and strength to our dough, I'm just stretching the dough from one side and folding it onto itself and turning the bowl a 90 degree, and then repeat the same stretching and folding on all 4 sides. I'm repeating the same folding once again so that all those entrapped gas will get deflated and we get a tight dough. And now place the dough onto a well floured work surface. And I'm dividing it into 2 equal parts so that we can make 2 breads. See, our dough is very sticky, and at this point, to prevent them from sticking, dust the surface with just enough flour so that we can work with the dough easily. Here I'm degassing the dough completely and shaping them in such a way that we get a tensive dough ball. And now we got 2 dough balls, and I'm letting them sit for 5 minutes so that the gluten strands can relax and it will not rebound back while we flatten the dough. So after 5 minutes, let's flatten the dough into a circle of approximately 22 centimeters in diameter and 1.5 centimeters in thickness. And now transfer this onto a baking tray. Here I've lined the baking tray with the parchment paper, and I'm sprinkling some cornmeal so that it will not stick. We can also use some semolina flour as well. And now let's wrap it with a plastic film and let them sit and puff up, which is the final rising, for about 25 minutes. Here I've greased the plastic film with some oil so that we can prevent any chance of dough sticking to the plastic film. So after 25 minutes, our dough has puffed up nicely, and now brush the top with some egg wash. And now let's make some beautiful patterns with the tip of our fingers. And sprinkle the top with some sesame seeds and some nigella seeds. And now it's ready to go into the oven. So bake it at 200 degrees Celsius or 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 18 to 20 minutes or until the top gets golden brown in color. And after baking, we'll get our beautiful soft and fluffy pita bread. The smell of this freshly baked bread is so amazing, and this bread is best to have while they are warm just out of the oven, and it has a unique aroma of those toasted sesame seeds and nigella seeds, and they have a soft and chewy texture. We can keep them covered with a kitchen towel so that it will stay warm and soft. We can have this bread with kebab or with some dip, or it goes pretty well with any of your favorite soups or salads. And if you want to make a big batch, you can double this recipe. Or if in case you want to keep any extra dough in fridge, we can keep the dough covered in fridge for up to 3 days. I hope you found this pita bread recipe easy to make, and I hope you will make this at home, and I'm pretty sure you will love this bread. And if you like this video, please give your valuable thumbs up, and please don't forget to share this recipe with your friends and family. And thank you so much for your love and support, and thanks for watching this video. See you next time.